Children, now let us continue the rational numbers. Now let us find the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Now first question is, write any three rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. You know that minus 2 means minus 2 by 1 and 0 means 0 by 1. If you want to write that in the form of p by q. Here we have to find out three rational numbers. You know that 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So you take minus 2 by 1 is equals to minus 2 by 1 into 4 by 4 to have the same denominator here, that it becomes minus 8 by 4 and 0 by 1 is equals to 0 by 1 into 4 by 4. It is also nothing but 0 by 4. Here you know that minus 2 means minus 8 by 4, 0 means 0 by 4. Now here we have to find three rational numbers. So you can write, and here it is minus 8 by 4 and here it is 0 by 4 means 0 by 4 is greater than minus 8 by 4, that is minus 8 by 4 is lesser than 0 by 4. So here in between that means you must write the rational number greater than minus 8 by 4, that is minus 7 by 4. Next minus 6 by 4, minus 5 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4. And next one is here 0 by 4. Here you got 6 rational numbers, but you need only 3. You select any 3 of these 6 rational numbers. You can select any 3. The second question is, find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Find a rational number means only one rational number that you have to find between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now here the given rational numbers are 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now you know the LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 is, here the LCM is equals to 4. Therefore here it is 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 only you can write. 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4. And here 1 by 2 means, that is 1 by 2 into, to have the denominator 4 it must be multiplied by 2. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So it becomes 2 by 4. So you got the same numbers 1 by 2 as 2 by 4. Now here you must find only one rational number. So 1 rational number plus 1, that is 2. Now you take 1 by 4 here. That is 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 4 into 2 by 2, that is 2 by 8 here. And 2 by 4, that is equals to 2 by 4 into 2 by 2 it is again. Then you will get, that is 4 by 8 here. So it is 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. Here 2 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 4 and 4 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 2. And you must write the rational number, only one rational number. You know that, that is the greater than 2 by 8 is 3 by 8. Here 3 by 8 is the only one rational number between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. That you know that here it is 2 by 8 is smaller than 3 by 8 and it is also smaller than 4. 3 by 8 is smaller than 4 by 8. So only one rational number, that is 3 by 8 you got, that is 2 by 8 and between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. But you can write any number of rational numbers between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. Here there is a question to find only one rational number. Now let us take the next question, that is, find three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Find three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now again here the given two rational numbers are 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Have the same method. Now here you know the LCM is here. LCM is equals to, LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Now you take 1 by 4 and you take it as 1 by 4 only because the denominator is 4 as the LCM is 4. Next you take 1 by 2 then 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 into. To have the denominator 4, it must be multiplied by 2. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, so it becomes 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Next, here we have to find out 3 rational numbers. We have to find out 3 rational numbers. So you take 3 plus 1, that is 4. So you consider the first one 1 by 4 and you multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. Then it becomes 4 by 16. Then you take 2 by 4 here. 2 by 4, that is equals to 2 by 4, multiply both numerator and denominator by again by 4. It becomes 8 by 16. 2 by 4 into 4 by 4, that is equals to 8 by 16. Now the question is find 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, means find the 3 rational numbers between 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. Because 8 by 16 means 1 by 2 and 4 by 16 means 1 by 4. Now you know that it must be greater than 4 by 16 and lesser than 8 by 16. So you can write the rational numbers. Next, after 4, you can write 5 by 16. The next one is 6 by 16. Then third one is 7 by 16. So the 3 rational numbers between 4 by 16 and 8 by 16 are 5 by 16, 6 by 16 and 7 by 16. These are the 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Next, you find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now, here the given 2 rational numbers are minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now, LCM becomes here the product of 5 and 2, because 5 and 2 are co-prime number. They are not in the same table and they are not having common factors. So, you take the LCM is, here it is 10. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Then you consider the first one, that is minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 is equals to, you write minus 2 by 5 into. You know that to have the denominator 10, you must multiply it by 2. That becomes minus 4 by 10. So minus 2 by 5 is converted as minus 4 by 10, which is the equivalent fraction of minus 2 by 5. Next, you take 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 into, to have the denominator 10, it must be multiplied by 5 by 5. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, you will get 5 by 10. So 1 by 2 is converted as 5 by 10, which is equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Now here you must find out 10 rational numbers. So you take 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Then you take the first one minus 2 by 5, which is converted as minus 4 by 10. You take that minus 4 by 10. Then you multiply both numerator and denominator by this 11. Then it becomes minus 44 by 110. And here it is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 must be multiplied by again 11 by 11. You will get, that is 55 by 110. 55 by 110. Now you can write any number of rational numbers between minus 44 by 110 and 55 by 110. You know that this is nothing but minus 2 by 5. Minus 44 by 110 is nothing but minus 2 by 5, and 55 by 110 is nothing but this 1 by 2. You know that 55 ones are 55 twos are. Here it is, you know that is 22 twos are 22 5s it is. Now the rational numbers you can write, which is greater than minus 44 by 110 and lesser than 55 by 110. That is, the next one is 44. That is, next one is minus 43 by 110. Next minus 42 by 110, minus 41 by 110, minus 40 by 110, minus 39 by 110, minus 38 by 110, minus 37 by 110, minus 36 by 110, minus 35 by 110. Like this we can write up to 54 by 110. Any number of rational numbers can be considered here, but here there is a need of 10 rational numbers. So you take 10 rational numbers, select any 10 rational numbers between minus 44 by 110 and 55 by 110. And you know that as you go towards this direction, the value goes on increases, and at the end you will reach 55 by 110, and therefore these are the rational numbers between minus 44 by 110 and 55 by 110. Next you find 5 rational numbers between, first one is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, second one is minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, third one is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. First you consider the first one, that is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. And here you know that the numbers are 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, and the LCM is equals to, you know that the product becomes the LCM, that is 3 into 5, 15, as they are co-prime number and they are not in the same table, means they are not having common factor here. So the LCM becomes 15. Now you take 2 by 3, and to have the denominator 15, the denominator must be equals to the LCM, that is equals to 15. So you multiply both numerator and denominator, that is 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 into 5 by 5, that is equals to, it becomes 10 by 15. Next one is 4 by 5 is equals to 4 by 5 into, again it is, you know that it must be multiplied by 3 by 3, that is 12 by 15. Then you take, here we have to find out 5 rational numbers. So you know that 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. To get 6 rational numbers between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15, you convert the rational number by 10 by 15 is equals to 10 by 15 into 6 by 6, that is equals to 60 by 90. And here 12 by 15 is equals to 12 by 15 into 6 by 6, that is equals to 72 by 90. 72 by 90. Then the rational numbers between 60 by 90, which is nothing but 2 by 3, and 72 by 90, which is nothing but 4 by 5. You can write the greater than 60 by 90 is, you take 10 by 15, that is equals to 10 by 15 into 6 by 6, that becomes 60 by 90. And here you take 12 by 15, that is equals to 12 by 15 into 6 by 6, so it becomes 72 by 90. And here you need 5 rational numbers, and the rational numbers between 60 by 90 and 72 by 90, you can write many. And you know that 60 by 90 is nothing but 2 by 3, and 72 by 90 is nothing but 4 by 5. So you can write, the next one is 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90, 64 by 90, 65 by 90, 66 by 90, 67 by 90, 68 by 90, 69 by 90, 70 by 90, 71 by 90. Like this way you can write. Here you got 11 rational numbers, but you need only 5. So you can select any 5 rational numbers out of these. Next, you take the next number is minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Second one is minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Here the numbers are minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Again the LCM is equals to. Here the LCM is equals to 2 into 3, 6. Now you take minus 3 by 2, that is equals to minus 3 by 2. You must have the denominator 6, means it must be multiplied by 3. The 2 must be multiplied by 3. Therefore multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. You will get minus 9 by 6. Next one is 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 5 by 3 into. Here also you must have the denominator 6. Therefore you multiply both by 2 by 2. It becomes 10 by 6. Next here you must find 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers means again you have 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Now you take minus 9 by 6, that is equals to minus 9 by 6 into 6 by 6, that is it becomes minus 54 by 36. Here it becomes 10 by 6 is equals to 10 by 6 into 6 by 6, that is 60 by 36 it is. 60 by 36. Then you write the rational numbers between minus 54 by 36 and 60 by 36, means it must be greater than minus 54 by 36 and smaller than 60 by 36. So the first rational number that you can write is minus 53 by 36. Next minus 52 by 36, minus 51 by 36, minus 50 by 36, minus 49 by 36. Like this way you can write. Here you can write, you will reach 0 after some time. And next you will write 1 by 36, 2 by 36, 3 by 36, so on you will write up to 59 by 36. You will get large number of rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, but you need only here 5, so you select any 5 out of these. Next number is here 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now you find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Again here the LCM is 4. You take LCM of 4 and 2 is equals to 4 here. Now you take first one 1 by 4, that is equals to 1 by 4 only, because the denominator is 4 here. You keep it as it is. Next you take 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2, the 2 is the denominator. So it must be 4, means you multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. You will get 2 by 4 it is. Now the question is find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. That is 5 plus 1 is equals to 6 it is. So you take 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 into 6 by 6, that is equals to 6 by 24 it is. Next here 2 by 4, that is equals to 2 by 4 into 6 by 6, that is equals to 12 by 24. Now here you must find out 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, that is between 6 by 24 and 12 by 24. Therefore here the 5 rational numbers are 5 rational numbers are 5 rational numbers are greater than 6 by 24 means that is 7 by 24, 8 by 24 and 9 by 24, 10 by 24, 11 by 24. You got exactly 5 rational numbers here. Next one is here. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So you know that here minus 2 by minus 2 means minus 2 by 0, minus 2 means minus 2 by 1, minus 2 by 1, and you must have 5 rational numbers means you multiply it by 6 by 6, you will get minus 12 by 6, and you can start it from minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, then minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0. Like this way you can write any number of rational numbers and select any 5 out of these. Next one is find any 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 6 by 8. Minus 5 by 6 and 6 by 8. Here again you take the LCM of 6 and 8. They are not co-prime here. So you try to find the LCM of 6 and 8. You know that 2 3s are, 2 4s are, again 2 2s are. So you will get 2 1s are. Then the product of this, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is equals to 24 you got. LCM is equals to 24. Now first one you take minus 5 by 6 and convert the denominator as 24. So you must multiply, here you must multiply 6 by 4. So also you multiply minus 5 by 4, you will get minus 20 by 24. And the next one is here, that is 6 by 8. 6 by 8 means 6 by 8, it must be multiplied by 3 to have the denominator 24. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, you will get 18 by 24. 18 by 24. Now here you must find 10 rational numbers, and here by using this only you can get 10 rational number, because here it starts from minus 19 by 24 to 18 by 24, you will get that number only. But as usual method you can multiply it by 10 rational numbers means 11 also. Now try to have the 10 rational numbers by these two, minus 20 by 24 and 18 by 24 only, because here it ranges from minus 20 to 18 means you will get, first one is minus 19 by 24, next minus 18 by 24, minus 17 by 24, minus 16 by 24, minus 15 by 24, minus 14 by 24, minus 13 by 24, minus 12 by 24, minus 11 by 24, minus 10 by 24, minus 9 by 24, minus 8 by 24, like this way up to 17 by 24 you can write. And here you need only 10 rational numbers, therefore here you select any 10 out of these. The next one is find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Again here the LCM. You take first numbers are here 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. LCM is equals to, you know that they are co-prime numbers, so the product becomes the LCM here, that is 5 4s are 20. Next you have 3 by 5 is equals to 3 by 5. To convert this 5 into 20, you must multiply it by 4. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. That becomes 12 by 20. And here you have 3 by 4, that is equals to 3 by 4 into. You know that this 4 must be multiplied by 5 to convert this into 20. Therefore multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. You will get 15 by 20. 15 by 20. Now here you must write 10 rational numbers. Now here it is 12 by 20, 15 by 20 means you can write only 13 and 14, only 2 rational numbers. Therefore to have 10 rational numbers, you have 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Therefore you take 12 by 20 and 12 by 20 into 11 by 11 to have 10 rational numbers. That becomes 220. It is 20 into 11 is 220, and here it is 132. It is 132. Next here it is 15 by 20, that is equals to 15 by 20 into 11 by 11, then it is again 220, then it is 165. That is 165 it is. Now here you write 10 rational numbers. So it starts from 133. That is 133 by 220, 134 by 220, 135 by 220, 136 by 220, then 137 by 220, 138 by 220. Like this way you can write 139 by 220, 140 by 220, 141 by 220, 142 by 220. How much you got here? 10 you got. And you can write any numbers up to 164 by 220. Without any hesitation you can write here up to 164 by 220, but here you need only 10 rational numbers. Here you need 10 rational numbers and you select any 10 out of these.